And Kirti, let's rewind a little bit, okay?
Mm-hmm.
For our globally admitted students, let's come to the application stage and see.
Mm-hmm.
So we know how your goals kind of transform from what they initially were, and I'm sure it must be happening with a lot of students likewise across.
Yeah.
So, would you advise them to be flexible? Would you advise them to do sort of some sort of networking already, or just generally be prepared for it may not be what you initially started with?
Mm-hmm. Okay. I think that's a very personal choice for everyone. Uh, I had people in my class who were very clear what they wanted, and they went and got it without say any. I wouldn't say without any struggle, but
But
they knew exactly where they wanted to be. They had the right connections from day one, and they went in that direction, and they are there today. And then there were some people like me who just, went along and changed strategies about 1,000 times throughout the process, and still did well. So I feel it's okay to have, say, a certain thing set in your mind before you start and work on your application accordingly. If it does work out, it's great. Even if it doesn't, it's great either way because, sorry. I think during the process, we meet so many different kinds of people within the class, throughout the network, that it's bound to change your perspective. Because if we are coming out of India and we are going to some place which is very global and very diverse, our mindsets are bound to, evolve over time or, change or transform throughout the process. So I think networking absolutely essential. If you have something in mind already, an industry or a company, most definitely connect with people in
hmm,
there. Try to understand how they work, how the hiring works. Try to make yourself present. Make your presence known to them, so when you come back asking for an opportunity, they know who you are and they know that you're worth investing their time in.
correct.
And but also at the same time, in your mind, be flexible. See what you can find around you in the university, and be open to all kinds of opportunities that come in front of you. You never know, something which is completely out of your purview might end up changing your life.